For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
COVID-19 has left many countries to remain on the edge due to its highly contagious nature. The frontline warriors have been working relentlessly to save people from falling prey to this deadly pandemic. Many have questioned about the safety and preventive measures that have been provided to these frontline warriors, particularly doctors. India is facing a severe shortage of PPE kits, putting doctors' lives at risk. In what comes as good news, a Coimbatore-based textile firm has launched PPE kits which can be used for up to 80 washes. The managing director of the firm touted the launch as very innovative, saying the product has the ability to recharge chlorine into the fabric.
See, this very innovative product developed entirely in-house by our R&D is that we have developed a product which has the ability to recharge chlorine into the fabric for nearly 80 washes and use the power of chlorine to kill. So the power of chlorine is exploited.
He further added that the disinfecting properties of chlorine have been built into the fabric.
Disinfecting properties of chlorine is built into the fabric, and the chlorine which is built inside is active for 2 weeks on the surface of the fabric, and then on washing, as per our recommended washing, the chlorine in the detergent is absorbed again by the fabric to provide the repeated rechargeable detergent or killing or antimicrobial facility to the fabric.
Firm's managing director assured that the recharge facility does not harm the skin or cause allergy.
So this technology, which is indigenously developed by us, has been tested for 80 washes. So the property what exists in the fabric in the first wash is available even after 80 washes. The fabric has the capacity to absorb chlorine and store the chlorine, and this recharge facility will not cause any harm to your skin.
He said the technology will be very useful for doctors and nurses. The reusable coveralls have the advantage of environmental sustainability.
So this technology is very useful for many workers like doctors and nurses. The non-COVID section where they are not wearing coverall, this fabric is useful for their protection.
When asked about the common certification, he said the certification for antimicrobial was available from Citra and other sources. Also,
what we are providing is protection, and this has been tested for under ASTM or AATC methods, internationally recognized methods by international laboratories, and it can be tested anywhere by anyone that after 80 washes there is sufficient chlorine in this fabric to provide the protection.
the Coimbatore-based textile firm has already donated several coveralls to various government hospitals.